Campaigns are single sends. Real marketing runs in arcs: a product launch, a quarterly event series, an always-on nurture track. That arc is a program. A program groups the campaigns, content, and audiences that belong to one initiative, so the launch you're running in October reads as one thing, not 11 scattered rows. Without programs, reporting on an initiative means hand collecting campaign stats into a spreadsheet and hoping you didn't miss one. With programs, the roll-up is automatic. Open the program and you see combined reach, engagement, and outcomes across every campaign inside it. When leadership asks how the launch performed, the answer is one screen. Here's the programs list. Each row is an initiative with its status and its campaign count. Creating one takes a name and a goal. Then you attach campaigns as you build them or attach existing ones. The program detail page becomes the home base for the whole initiative. As your workspace accumulates campaigns, programs become the level you actually manage at. Plan at the program level, execute at the campaign level, report at both. This shipped this quarter, and it's on every plan. Open programs in the left rail and group your next launch.